What if I told you that you can turn almost any luxury car into a ridiculously satisfying viral video without filming a single real car? This new Instagram page is already sitting at over 14,000 followers, and all they're doing is posting this one addictive style of luxury car covering content. So I decided to recreate the same concept completely with AI. And the best part? It took me around 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT and type, "Provide me top 20 engaging car brand names." Hit enter. It will instantly generate a list of luxury and visually interesting cars that you can use for your video. Next, grab the Instagram page link you want to take inspiration from and drop that into ChatGPT. Add the second prompt. Please suggest 20+ premium and vibrant car roof materials in diverse colors, matching the style shown in the page videos. This time, ChatGPT will give you different premium materials and covering styles that can make the final video look much more satisfying. Pick one car and one material, and then go to the description of this video. I've added the complete generation prompt there. Copy it from beginning to end and open Google Flow. Choose Video and open the ingredient settings. Set the format to 9:16. Select OmniFlash as the video model and choose a 10-second duration. I also recommend generating multiple outputs so you have a few variations to choose from, but I choose single. Now paste the complete prompt into Flow. Go back to ChatGPT. Take the car name Rolls-Royce. Return to Flow and replace the vehicle placeholder with it. Then take your chosen material, lava glass, glowing orange-red molten texture, and replace the material placeholder. Double-check both sections, hit generate. A few seconds later, you'll have a completely AI-generated luxury car covering video ready to edit and post. And this is the final result. Now, let's create another version with a completely different car and material. Paste master prompt again, prompt box. Go back to GPT and this time copy Mercedes-Benz car. Scroll down and select You Like Design. I choose Copper Mirror, Rich Polished Copper. Return to Flow and paste vehicle name, and paste the material name. Everything is done. Click Generate, and look at this result. Honestly, this type of content is perfect for testing right now because the transformation itself creates a really satisfying visual payoff. If you want more viral AI niches like this that you can recreate before everyone starts doing them, subscribe and turn on notifications.